Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. I have my Eyescream Beauty box for the month of April, and I will be sharing it off camera once again. I tried and I just could not. So bear with me for a few more videos, and I'm praying that everything will get back to normal and soon. So this is the April box, Spring on the Horizon. There's some products there. So let's just get right in. We have a lip product from Beauty for Certain. I have what appears to be number 2. Let me find this. Matte liquid lipstick for $22. Let's see the shade. I'm not generally a fan of Beauty for Certain. Is this more like a pink or is this a red? Let me see. This is more a true red, so I'm not going to swatch that because I probably will share it. Just not, even like glosses and stuff, not for me. The next item is from Chantico Beauty. And this is there only one product from them? Looks like $20. Duochrome Duo by Chantico Beauty. Let's see. Oh, pretty. Does have a little mirror there. Look at those shades. In the blue, like it's blue, black. I'm trying to see. I can see copper. In this one, I just don't want to touch it. In this one, like copper, maybe some gold reflect. I mean, they're beautiful. I don't usually wear duochrome, so that's $20. Here we have from Douce, Bold Control, does that say graphic marker? Graphic marker. Let's see. Is this an eyeliner? I think this is an eyeliner, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just open it up. Yeah, this is an eyeliner, right? That's what I think it is. I don't. So on the card, Magic Marker Eyeliner or Lip Gloss Topper by Douce, $23. I would have rather had the other one. Black eyeliner. So I will obviously won't be opening that. I don't do black eyeliner. Let's see what we have here. From Charmacy, beautiful packaging they have. So Charmacy is multi-chrome liquid eyeshadow, $12. I mean, if they're giving us a duochrome, what do they have to give us a multi-chrome for? I mean, these are beautiful. I don't know. This one's kind of hard to see the shade change there. And then you always get a palette with Eyescream Beauty. Even in the bag, you get a palette. Let's get this out of here. Let's see who this is from. Oh, from Ofra. Mini Mix Palette. This is $39. Good to Go is the palette. Oh, nice. Oh, that's very pretty. So I have the cover on still. Beautiful. Let's smile, you're beautiful. So let's see what it says on the back. Clean slate, all of the lights. So highlights, eyeshadows, dampen for a bolder look. Are they all eyeshadows? Let me see. Refillable palette, highlighters. Beautiful. Smile, you're beautiful. And then it does give you names on the back. Hopefully you guys can see that. Excited about that. And that's $39. That makes the box for me. The other 4 products I could do without. But that's exciting to have. So once again, the Eyescream Beauty box for April, Spring on the Horizon. And there's a list of the products right there. Sorry, my hand is shaking. And that is everything for this one. $25 a month, U.S. free shipping, tax is included. You get 5 beauty products, and there's always, like I said, a palette in every box. And the Ice Cream Beauty bag is $12.50 a month. Taxes included. We pay $4 shipping. It says 3 to 5 products, but it's usually 3 to 4. It's not too often we get 5. But either one, the box or the bag, is a bargain in my opinion. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.